Hi guys, I'm in my little tent here out in my garden. It's pouring and it's thundering, which is so wonderful that I'm still able to do all my production in the rain and keep dry. It's so great. It was just thundering, so hopefully it thunders through this video. It's beautiful. So I got the cattail plant. I've been waiting all winter and spring to get it, so I got it today. I've been checking on it. Didn't have much gel in it up until today. I found some good sized ones that have a lot of gel. So this is the cattail plant here. You see it growing everywhere. You'll cut it really low to the ground. When you find it, cut it really low to the ground with some shears. All you need to take with you is some shears, some paper towel to wipe it off, some paper towel, and a wide open neck glass container. So you'll cut the cattail plant really low to the ground, and then you'll take your paper towel, just take off any excess bugs, because when they're young, there's no bugs inside, just on the outside. As they get older, the bugs will get in, but right now it's perfect. So you're gonna peel off these outer layers. This one's already coming off. You can see that gel in there, guys? See that gel? That's what you want to get. So you'll peel that off and you just pull down, make the gel fall into your glass bottle. So this one's got some nice gel in it. So I'll give you a little rundown on what I discovered with this cattail gel. Amazing stuff. When I was married, I tried it on my husband's skin cancer on his head, and his skin cancer went away. He used to go every year and get it burned off. This took the skin cancer right off. See the gel, guys? This isn't a lot of gel in it, but there was some. And what I also used it for was skin tags. I had some skin tags, and I put it on the skin tags, and they came right off. I've used it. There wasn't much gel in it. I'm going to grab another one. I've used it in different occasions for cysts, people with cysts. Makes the cyst blow up in like just an hour. It's amazing. It's antibacterial, antifungal. So let's see if we can get any gel in this one. Ooh, yeah, baby. There's some, it's hard to see. Maybe I'll put my camera this way so you can see better. See that gel? Oh yeah, that's the gold, guys. That's what you want. So you would take the gel out and just put it in your glass container. And like I say, this is a multi-purpose survival medicine for if you're in the woods and you had a cut. You look at the gel, guys. Look at it. Woo! Look at that. Oh, baby. Look at that medicine. If you had a cut and you were in the woods, you would put this on it, heal it up right fast. This is also edible too. I had a cat that was dying from with Lyme's disease, and I was treating it with all these different things, and the cat was almost dead. It hadn't eaten in a week, it hadn't drank in like 4 or 5 days. It was dying, and I took a syringe and filled it with the cattail gel and started just feeding it to the cat, and the cat lived. The cat got so much better. The energy in the cat got better, and then I could treat it with my natural medicines, and I ended up saving the cat. And I know it was, sorry about the rain, not sorry about the rain, love it. I know that the cattail gel did something inside this cat's stomach, and then I was able to treat it and save it. So that's all there is to it, guys. I was hoping that we would have some thunder, but we didn't. Have a great day. I know I'm having a great day. Go get your cattail gel. Yay!